What's up everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make money online with Instagram and you don't need an account with millions of followers for this method. I will show you how in a minute. You will be able to earn money from accounts with 2, 5 or 10,000 followers. And I will even give you tips on how you can grow your Instagram page. In the meantime, I will be very happy if you like the video, so let's move on to the video now. First of all, you may have seen videos on YouTube about growing your Instagram page and then getting sponsorships and ads and making money that way, which I mentioned this method in some of my videos if I remember correctly. I mean, that method is also very good to make money from Instagram, but for that you need a certain amount of followers, like 10,000 followers, 40,000 followers, 100,000 followers, so you can get ads. But in this video I will show you how you can make money from your Instagram page without having 100,000 of followers. Now I will tell you step by step what you need to do. By the way, what I will say at the beginning may be the same as what everyone else is saying, but what I will say at the end will make the real difference. We're gonna take a different path. The first thing you need to do is to choose a topic. It could be animals, holidays, beauty or makeup, it could be cars. You define a topic and open an Instagram page on that. After opening your page, add a nice profile picture, add a nice description in English, and let your profile be more professional and clean and attractive. After doing this, what we naturally need to do is to share something, but don't worry, the videos that you're gonna share doesn't need to be your own. What we are doing right now is called theme page. We share other people's content videos by tagging them. For example, let's say you found a dog video and you want to share it. You download that video, and when you're gonna share that video, something like that would be enough. Write your description and somewhere in the description put that. I will type there, credit and that username, that creator's username. And both you and the owner of that content likes that, because that person doesn't lose anything. On the contrary, more people goes to that person's page and basically he gets free advertising. We get content. So it's a win-win situation. After that, after sharing 3 or 4 posts, what we need to do is to drive traffic to our bigger. And for that we're gonna find bigger pages on our category, and after finding those pages we are gonna follow their followers, but not from the followers section. Most people do it from there, but no, we're not gonna do it from there. Instead, we come to the latest post that they have shared and we follow those people who have liked that content, that post, that can be photo or video, because those people follow a page in the same category that we are and they like their content, they're active, and that's what we want. After that, after we follow those people, they will get a notification that we have followed them, and all the people are curious, so they're gonna come to our page to see who we are and why someone followed them. And when they come to our page, they will see a content that they like, and most likely they'll follow us. Now, I know that most people say follow for follow is not good, it's bad, but it will take a quite while to grow an Instagram page from zero, and we have something different that we wanna do. We won't be holding this page for too long. That's why we do follow for follow up to a certain numbers of followers, like up to 2 or 3,000 followers. And after that, if you wanna grow even more your page, then you don't need to do follow for follow, because when you share content, a post, those followers that you have already will like your photos, your videos, comment on your content, and you can go to the explore page and get even more followers. So after a certain numbers of followers, you don't need to do follow for follow. You can grow organically. The last thing that I want to talk, and the most important one, is to be organized and be consistent. You should share at least 1 post a day, and it could be better if you could share 2 posts a day, but 1 would be enough. Sharing regularly is very important here, so you should pay attention to it. Share at least 1 post a day. Keeping your engagement rate high will help you grow even faster, and it will increase your page's value. Now let's see what we've done till now. We set a topic and opened an Instagram page. On that topic, we added a nice profile picture and a biography. We regularly share posts and get our follower count to 3 or 2,000 followers at least. The next thing that we are gonna do is to sell this page. Yeah, we're gonna sell the page. What you were expecting? There are multiple ways to sell your Instagram page, and now I'm gonna tell you the two of them. Our first method is to reach other pages or users via direct messages and communicate with them. There will be many accounts that wanna buy your Instagram page, and you can negotiate the price with them. I mean, of course, they will try to pay you less so they can save money, but set a base price for your account based on your follower and engagement and stick to that. I mean, that's my advice. You can do whatever you want. The second method is to sell your page with the help of this site, which I will show you. The site that I recommend to you is Socialtradia. This is a page that I personally use. In fact, one of the pages for sale in this page is mine. It belongs to me. I'll show it to you. Now, the reason that I'm showing you this page is because that I'm using it myself. There is no sponsorship. I mean, it would be nice if there was, but there isn't. When you enter the page, such a page welcomes you. And the thing that I want to show you is the categories. So go to the categories, and I'm gonna go to the makeup beauty, so I can show you my page. I mean, there are multiple categories, and you can even get inspiration on what account you should create in the beginning. You can see that 2,000 to 3,000 accounts here sell for $100 to $200. But of course, you can see there are 4,000 follower accounts with just $100, and that's because of your engagement rate. That's what I was trying to tell you. If your engagement is high, the value of your page increases. You see, 2,000 follower account $110, 4,000 follower account just $100. And this page here is mine. 2,100 followers, which not anymore. I grow that page, and there's something important that I want to tell you. Here you see that this page is on sale for $120, but if that page gets sold, I don't get $120. I get $60, if I remember correctly, and the other half goes to the Socialtradia. So they set a price for my account's value, which they set that to $60, and on that they put another $60 or how much they want, so they can get their own share because of doing this thing, like a commission. I mean, you don't have to worry about this, you don't lose anything. Your account's value is, you still get your account's value, just the buyer, the person that's gonna buy that page, pays more than the account's real value, I can say. I think just Socialtradia gets his own share. In short, that's what you need to do. With this method that I showed you, you can make money from your Instagram account with 2, 5 or even 10,000 followers. I mean, you don't need accounts with millions or 100,000 followers. If you have a question in your mind, you can ask that to me in the comment section, and I will try to reply to all the comments as much as I can. By the way, in this video here, I try Shopify dropshipping for 7 days from scratch as a complete beginner. If you want, you can watch that video right after this one. So, see you over there. Bye bye.